Let's go over these two multiple choice questions about cell communication. The first question reads, what does the term ligand refer to in cellular biology? Remember, in cell communication, we have these small little messenger molecules. They're going to act as messengers for cells in order to create a cellular response. Now, they typically bind with a protein called a receptor. These receptors will change shape, relay the message inwards to set our secondary messengers, and then create some cellular response. But this molecule in this interaction, this molecule is known as a ligand. So let's see if we can find that in our answer. A, the change in shape that occurs when a signaling molecule binds to the receptor. I mean, this does change shape, but it's not actually going to be called ligand. That's just how the receptor is going to interact with the ligand. Any small molecule that can bind in a specific manner to a receptor protein. I think that's the answer. Let's make sure the other ones aren't right. C, the bond that forms between a signaling molecule and its receptor. No. D, the target cell of a signaling molecule. No. And then E, a molecule that can occupy a receptor. That first part sounds right, while not activating the receptor. No, that would be like an inhibitor. That's not the right answer. This is why B is the right choice. Next question, what is the correct process of signal transduction? So if you look at our list here, we're going to start out with a couple different words. And we just explained what signal transduction was with the last question. Let's look at this one. We all start out with either signal, you can see these two, or receptor change. Or secondary messengers is E. So we know that the signaling molecule has to come first. The receptor change isn't going to come before the signaling molecule. So B is out, D is out, and so is E. Secondary messengers are inside the cell, so they're not going to occur first. So again, we're now down to a 50-50 chance. Signal, receptor change, that sounds right. Both of them have receptor change. Phosphorylation or kinase. Well, kinases have to be active before phosphorylation occurs. It can't go phosphorylation response and then kinases. So A is out, which means C here is the correct answer.